Tired of that overflowing inventory and ready to turn those items into cash? Let's dive into how you can start selling like a pro on Temu. First, head to Temu and scroll down to the bottom of the page, find and click on Become a Seller. This will take you to the seller portal where you can start your registration. You'll need to sign up for a seller account. Make sure to have your business information, including contact details and business license, ready. Follow the instructions carefully to complete the registration process. Pay close attention to Temu's requirements, because they will be checking if you meet their standards. Once you're approved, log into your Seller Central dashboard. This is your command center. Here you can manage your listings, track sales, and handle customer service. Now for the fun part, listing your products. Click on Add New Product and fill out all the details. Be descriptive. Use high-quality images and write compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits of your item. Accurate product information is crucial for attracting buyers. Setting the right price is key. Research similar items on Temu and other platforms to see what the market rate is. Consider your profit margins and factor in Temu's commission fees to set a competitive price that still makes you money. Keep a close eye on your inventory levels. Temu requires sellers to maintain sufficient stock regularly. Update your quantities to avoid overselling or running out of popular items. Once an order comes in, pack it securely and ship it out promptly. Temu prioritizes fast shipping, so aim to fulfill orders as quickly as possible. Consider adding a small thank you note to improve the customer experience. Monitor your sales performance regularly. Analyze which products are selling well and which ones are not. Use this data to optimize your listings, adjust your pricing, and refine your inventory management strategy. Keep tweaking and learning. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to selling successfully on Temu. Maximize your online selling potential today.